Introducing the challenger from Death Valley, weighing in at 309 pounds, the Undertaker. And his opponent from Miami, Florida, weighing in at 265 pounds, the undisputed WWE Champion,
Not going to be any question about who's champ after this.
Byron, the undisputed championship is on the line here. The title has one of the richest histories in our business. The champion is representing quite a legacy here tonight.
Yeah, the combined history of the WWE Championship and the World Heavyweight Championship all rolled into one championship. And like the title implicates, there is no disputing who is at the top when you carry that hardware around.
Corey, when facing a towering opponent like The Undertaker, I imagine the best approach is to try and chop him down to size.
Well, you hit the nail right on the head, Cole. You have to try to immobilize and ground Taker. Go for his legs. Go for his base. That's how you make the Deadman an easier target to lay into.
Oh, just deadlifting their opponent.
Tossing their opponent like they're nothing.
You don't often see the champion get thrown around that easily.
Oh, what a clubbing blow.
The challenger taking some minor damage.
Rock reminding everyone that he's so much more than just catchphrases and charisma.
And if the first stop doesn't send you the message, the follow-up ones definitely will. The champion imposing their will with total disregard.
Connects on the kick.
What a barrage of stops.
The Deadman facing some danger.
And this is how you cut The Undertaker down to size. Taking out the big
kick down low, all tied up. Is this enough to do it?
And he has the shoulder up before, too.
He's still in this.
What a boot.
What a counter. Stomping down.
He is looking to do some serious harm. Counters on top of counters, and these opponents are at an impasse.
Up on the shoulders. Down in a hurry. The Rock.
Looking for the sharpshooter.
I can't believe it. The Undertaker, the Deadman.
How on earth do you counter this?
Twisting his body and breaks out of the sharpshooter. What a boot by the Undertaker. Ooh, clothesline delivered. Step back and measuring his opponent.
Oh!
Got out of there at the perfect time.
I think Undertaker's opponent's about to take his last ride. Final time, the last ride!
You can almost see the soul
Cover for the title.
keeps his team in this one.
Uh-oh.
Well-placed elbow to break up the maneuver.
Here it comes. The Rock, bottom by the Rock. That is how a true champion defends their title. Mounting their downed opponent and firing off a series of blows. And a stomp to the gut.
Undertaker retaliates. Somehow he saw Taker coming. Oh, that right there.
Uh-oh.
flips that around.
He's able to dodge out of the way. DDT by the Undertaker.
He's heading back to the ring.
Oh, right to the spine with a knee.
That was vicious.
Running knee.
Oh, jarring back elbow.
Hoisted up. Oh, that'll knock the wind out. Batten down the hatches. These two are unloaded. Giving up now is not an option. They have to finish this. The fight is on, and it's furious. Exhaustion setting in, and neither one of them is letting up.
Toe-to-toe, treating each other like heavy bags. Two fighters putting their haymakers on autopilot right now. Does the official not see him removing the turnbuckle pad?
Keep your voice down. Headlock applied, and a nice short jab to the bridge of the nose. Oh, a stop. Up fast. Buster. Down hard.
And shocked up. You can feel the energy from the millions and millions all around the world. Undertaker had that scouted.
Have you ever seen such The Undertaker has him in his grasp. Pin, title on the line. Champ's in trouble. New champ, no! The champ can't. The time has arrived to rest in peace.
It just got as bad as it could for the champ.
Oh, this could be over. 2 count. What? Only 2? This is complete insanity.
Still holding on to the title by the skin of their teeth.
And you have to imagine Taker might be gaining some sort of begrudging respect for him after that kick out. Man.
Oh, man.
Unloads a shot to the gut. Timely reversal on Undertaker.
Bam! Why are they coming over here?
Lots of space and concrete, that's why.
Evasive maneuvering there.
Oh, countering with
The announce table just ripped off here, and the monitors as well.
Some bad intentions here, guys.
Heading back into the ring now. And he's leaving the ring for the moment.
Ooh. Boom.
I think it's time to clear out.
Yeah, this is a bad situation.
Uh-oh, this is going to be bad. Really? Oh, no! Bottom through the table. Crashing right through our announce table. I don't know how much life can be left after that.
Well, the human body is not meant to take that amount of trauma.
He doesn't have much time to get back in the ring.
This arena has come unglued. You can feel the foundation shifting with every turn in the match. The Rock with the most electrifying move in all of entertainment.
There's the people's elbow. The champ is in control.
No, not now. Just barely able to kick out. I thought the champ had it in the bag. The Rock is already unloaded with everything he's got, and it wasn't able to end this. You've got to wonder what else he needs to do. Not looking good. In this position.
Rock sensed that was coming. come on, what is this? You can't get in the face of an official like that.
Obviously didn't like how this match was being called and wasn't going to remain silent about it. Oh, right to the spine with a knee.
That was vicious.
Middle rope for a tornado DDT.
Shut down your spine.
Undertaker is now under pressure.
The Rock's opponent needs to know his role.
Oh, clothesline.
You got out of dodge just in time.
It is beyond electric in here. This energy is on another level.
Rock Spinebuster. Oh my goodness. Boom.
Stop after stop after stop. What a kick.
Oh, solid kick across the back.
Kick right to the spine.
Oh, wicked kick to the lower back.
The Rock, can you smell it?
You can bet the Deadman won't rest here.
The Rock with some good timing here. Cover for the championship. Something of a cocky decision, him just stopping the pin like that.
Well, now look at this. This is not acceptable behavior. You can't berate an official like this.
Well, if the referee deserves it, I see nothing wrong with it. When you see bad officiating, you better let the referee hear about it.
Pulled in for belly to belly.
Look at this, just unloading.
And guys, that just made Undertaker look a bit more mortal as blood starts to stream down his face.
Belly-to-belly suplex.
The Great One is ready to finish this off. Uh-oh.
About to hit the Rock with a rock bottom.
Chance to retain here. The millions are about to experience it. Full head of steam. Will the champ make that pay off?
Oh, going right into the pin. And the champ stands tall once again.
Here is your winner, and still the undisputed WWE Champion, The Rock!
Big win as he retains the championship.
What a title defense for him tonight. He came in with that unshakable champion mentality.